Hello, hi everyone. So here we are back with your favorite Katan silk dupattas. I don't know इस year आपने इतना last year आप लोगों ने इतना दुपट्टास like किए हैं and they just go away like this. So हमने सोचा we'll get more of dupattas and show you because they are versatile. आपने एक दुपट्टा अच्छा pick कर लिया, you can wear it for with 4-5 suits and हर एक का look अलग आता है. So I think that might be the reason. So this is the first one, guys. It's a nice, very nice shade of green with Sona Rupa Kadua hai. It's an Iktara weave. So you can see how gorgeous the dupatta is. The tassels are done. They are ready to go out. So guys, for international clients, आपका 50K and above का shipping still is free. This dupatta is so long. मेरे लिए तो बहुत बड़ा है. I think it should be somewhere around 2.75 का length होएगा. So you can see how fabulous the dupatta is. Okay, what I was saying, guys, कि international clients के लिए 50K and above का shipping is free. So in case आपने एक दुपट्टा pick किया and one suit and you're good to go with 50K का हो जाता है आपका and you can get it shipped. This is the right time for you to pick up these pieces as, oh wow, what a red color with kadwa, all in kadwa. Shikarga hai, floral jal hai. You can see the entire beauty of the dupatta. So this is these are masterpieces, guys, masterpieces. एक ही दुपट्टा बनता है ऐसा और अब कभी सेम नहीं बनेगा because this all is handwork. So आप कितना भी चाह लें कि सेम पीस बन के आ जाए, it won't be there. कुछ ना कुछ वेरिएशन जरूर रहेगा अगर आप ऑर्डर भी प्लेस करते हो तो. So that's why we say if you like something, just go for it. Many of you, what you guys do कि हमें दुपट्टा बहुत पसंद आया है, show us fabrics with it. तब तक वो दुपट्टा कोई और बुक कर लेता है और they pick it up and the दुपट्टा is gone. So guys, close down with your दुपट्टा first. Fabric options हमारे पास भी बहुत मिल जाते हैं. In case आपको नहीं हमारे से पसंद है, you can buy fabric from outside also. So that's not an issue. But your dupatta will be secured. So this is a fabulous yellow color with all this meenakari. You can see all the colors of the meena popping out. It's a beautiful piece. Very lightweight. So guys, dupattas ki lengths vary. So I always say that in the videos. कितनी बार clients बोलते हैं कि नहीं आपने दुपट्टा लेंथ हम नहीं बताएंगे. अगर आप पिक कर रहे हो, आप कुछ पसंद कर लिया, we will never tell you. You have to ask us कि क्या दुपट्टे का लेंथ है. अगर आप बहुत पर्टिकुलर हो, अगर इट्स ओके विद यू 2.4 से तो ऊपर ही रहता है यूजुअली. In case you are very particular, you want long dupattas or you want certain length, you have to check with us. So this is a red color ka shikarga dupatta, all in diagonal, a very contemporary design, traditional and contemporary both at the same time. So Sona Rupa hai, borders mein meenakari hai. It's a fabulous piece again. So the prices I'm not letting you know because बहुत variations हैं. But you can check with us, take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number and we'll be there to let you know whatever you want to know. And we have various modes of payment, guys. बहुत सारे options हैं. आप जो बोलोगे we have it. And Razor Pay link is there for Indian domestic clients, Indian clients. जिससे कि आप अपने क्रेडिट कार्ड डेबिट कार्ड से पे कर सकते हो. वी हैव स्ट्राइप लिंक फॉर इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स, वो अपने इंटरनेशनल क्रेडिट कार्ड डेबिट कार्ड से पे कर सकते हैं. जीपे इज देयर, कैश सीओडी इज देयर. So this is a beautiful white, ivory white color ka beautiful piece with all these peacocks. Hint of meena is there slightly. आप देखेंगे क्लोज में आपको ग्रीन एंड पिंक मीना दिखाई देगा. इट्स बालूचरी का बॉर्डर है नीचे दिया हुआ and the pink and green tassels are there. It's a beautiful piece and very versatile. White color का कुर्ता plain सिलवा लीजिए, हमारे पास भी है white color के silk के with bootas, and you just carry this dupatta and you're good to go. So this is another, wow, what a piece. It's a black color as you all can see. मीनाकारी है, सोना रूपा है, कड़वा है, all in one, guys. What a fabulous piece. These dupattas have a beauty of their own. आपने simple सूट भी बनवा लिया सिल्क का और इसके साथ ये दुपट्टा कैरी कर रहे हो, you don't need anything. Or you're wearing a घाघरा चोली or a lehenga and you're carrying this dupatta. It's fabulous. Okay, moving ahead, showing you this another beautiful dupatta. So this is in katwa, guys. Mostly मैंने अभी तक जो दिखाया है सब कड़वा है, but you can still check if you want to know. So this is a yellow color, yellow and green ka combination with shikarga. It's in cut work, but it's a fabulous piece again. So have a close look of the दुपट्टा and you can pair it with yellow, with green, with pink. Contrast में बहुत सारे colors पे जाएगा. Okay, now again a rust orange का दुपट्टा, rust orange color, very very unique color, बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है. It's a brick orange type or rust orange type color. So you can see how fabulous the dupatta is. Very soft, very lightweight, and all the dupattas have tassels. They are ready to go out. आप आज बुक करते हैं दुपट्टा, कल शिप हो जाएगा. इंटरनेशनली इट विल रीच यू विदिन 5 to 6 वर्किंग डेज, और डोमेस्टिक में 4 to 5 वर्किंग डेज में पहुंच जाता है आपको कहीं पर भी विद इन इंडिया. सो दिस इज अगेन अ फैबुलस कलर ऑफ ऑबरजीन. इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटी कलर, वेरी कंटेम्प्रेरी डिजाइन. डायगनल में रेशम की, गोल्ड जरी की, सिल्वर जरी की, सबकी वीविंग हो रखी है. यू कैन सी द इंट्रिकेसी ऑफ बॉर्डर. यू कैन सी हाउ फैबुलस द पीस इज. सो यू कैन सी द साइड का बॉर्डर ऑल्सो. बहुत काम है दुपट्टा पे, सब अलग अलग बॉर्डर्स दिए हैं, अलग अलग. वेरी वेरी प्रिटी पीस इट इज. ओके, okay, the price range of these dupattas is somewhere from 22,000 to 41,000. You can check with us. तो मैं आपको खाली एक रेंज का आइडिया दे रही हूँ, so that you are not confused with it. So this one is for 16,620. It's a brocade dupatta in black with a selvage of maroon. You can see how gorgeous the dupatta is. Just see the beauty of the dupatta. The tassels are done in red and maroon and black. So fabulous piece. I'm just going to get it close. So this is the dupatta. This is the back side. You can see how plain the back side is. So neat and plain. Okay, now moving ahead. This is a patola dupatta in a strawberry pink color with all these bird motifs. So you can see how gorgeous the dupatta is. It has a green selvage to it. So अगर contrast में selvage दिया ना, it makes a lot of difference. And there are so many colors. You can pair this up with yellow के साथ पहन सकते हो, strawberry pink के साथ पहन सकते हो, green के साथ पहन सकते हो. Many colors it will go with. So okay guys, I have 1 or 2 more to show you. Again another beautiful red color. So as the wedding season is starting again from 15 Jan, and I think it's gonna go up till March. So non-stop weddings hai. February में बहुत weddings है, Jan में बहुत weddings है. So these dupattas are just perfect for you to be carrying in any of the functions. And this is a red color with all this kadwa booties, meenakari. You can see a close-up of the dupatta. So these are the bootas. ये border है. And this is the side ka border. The tassels are done. The price of this dupatta is 27,620. जिसका मुझे टैग दिख रहा है मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. And so the range would be like this only somewhere. So this is, I think, the last for the video. So okay, I have 1 or 2 more pieces to show you. This is one another patola. Someone was asking us for patola dupattas 2-3 दिन पहले. So you can have a look. This is a full patola dupatta with all these side ka border in shikarga. It's a beautiful piece again. So you can see how the fabulous the dupatta is. Okay, now this is the last for the video. I'm sure this is the last now. This has a black sona rupa kadwa pura andar ka hai. Then side borders are in red. How fabulous the dupatta is. You can wear it with a red, a black. Black on black will look much better, I think. Black के साथ ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. So guys, we have fabrics also to go with these suit sets. Ready में भी हैं, white में भी हैं, bootas में, in case you want to get it dyed in some particular color. So we have all these options. You can check out with us. Have a great day. Bye bye.